See how to send SMS marketing campaigns to your existing customers. So let's say you have a list of 500 or thousands customers with their name, email and phone number, and you want to send a marketing campaign to those customers. In this video I'm going to explain how to do that. So first of all, to send SMS you need a phone number from Twilio. So you can actually get a phone number from Twilio and verify it with what sort of SMS campaigns you want to send using that particular phone number. So once the particular phone number is verified, you can actually connect that particular phone number with our platform. So here in the SMS you can actually connect that particular phone number within our platform in just a few clicks. So let me show the channel settings over here. So let me open that. So here SMS, and here you can simply connect the Twilio phone number over here. So once you actually connect your SMS channel or SMS phone number over here, you have the option to actually upload the particular list. So here we have some demo list over here, just 2 contacts over here. I'm going to show how to upload this particular list to the platform and send SMS marketing messages to your list. So first of all, you have to convert this particular list into a CSV file. So you can do that through download and comma separated values. So you have to download in this particular file format, and simply you have to go to the contacts tabs over here and upload whatever the file you have actually converted into the CSV. So let me show that. In the contacts tab, simply click on import contacts. Click on that one. So it will actually provide you an option to upload the CSV file. So here we have the option to select files. So let me select the specific file, which is test lead CSV. Open, and you can actually choose the source. So here this is, let me simply choose as phone. You have other options as well, and here if you want, you can enter the country codes. So since this is actually USA numbers, I'm going to simply enter as +1. Here, once you have entered the country code, here you have 3 columns: name, phone number and email address. So likewise here you have these 3 columns over here. So here you can save that particular phone number in the phone number will be saved in the system field as phone number, and the email address will be saved in the system field as email address, and the name will be saved as the first name. So here we don't have last name, so that's fine. And you can even add the tag as well. So that means a kind of label for the contacts you actually uploading to this from this particular list. So I can add a tag. So you can actually create a new tag. So if you go to flows and click on tags, this will provide an option for you to create whatever the tags you want to have. So let me create the tag over here in this particular name, test lead list. So just that particular lead list tag over here. I'm not sure if it will load over here. Okay, so here the tag is created after we load this particular page, so it won't get loaded. We have to refresh and simply upload the file again. Simply select that particular CSV file, and phone number phone, email name, and here you can actually add that particular tag as well, test lead list. All right, so now we can actually upload. Here you can actually enter the country code as +1, continue, and it says 2 contacts were imported, and here we have 2 contacts. And let me simply continue. So we should see in our contacts app, we should see these 2 contacts. As you see, SMS, Jim and Robert. And if I open, let me open this profile, Jim. So if I open Jim over here, we should be able to see their profile with their email and the phone number as well. So likewise for the Robert you will see, and also we keep in mind we actually added a tag for that particular person as well, and it says test lead list. So now let's see, now we actually imported the contacts from this particular CSV list. Now let's see how to send SMS to these kind of contacts. So here I'm going to send SMS to only 1 contact. So I'm going to do here is that I'm going to remove the tag of this particular person. So this tag will be removed now. So now only Robert will have that specific tag, which is called as a test lead list. So if we go, Robert is here. So if you want to double check, if you go into filter, and here if you want to choose tag over here, and here if you choose lead list, and then we will see only 1 person will have that particular tag, Robert. So for this particular person named as Robert, we want to send an SMS marketing campaign. So here we actually created the flow over here. So here we want to send this sort of message to that particular person. Hi, first name, we missed you. Are you in need of a special code for an extra discount on personalized picks? Reply yes to get yours. So if they actually reply yes, then we will simply say great news, you can enjoy 20% off at Chatic Media, use this code and expires in 24 hours, happy shopping. So this is just a demo, and here if their input is not yes, or if it is actually something different, when we then we simply assign that particular conversation to an agent named Henry and also notify the admins as well. So this particular conversation will be transferred to the human as well. So we have this sort of action over here. Now let's see how to send this kind of flow to the customer. So to send the SMS broadcast or any kind of broadcast, you have to use this broadcast option over here. And here let me click on send, and it simply asks you to choose this channel. So in this case we want to send the broadcast in the SMS. So here let me choose SMS, so because we actually created the SMS flows over here. So continue, and what flow you want to send. So the flow name is SMS marketing campaign lead list. So let me move this over here, and let me choose SMS marketing campaign lead list. And when to send, you can simply send as soon as possible as well, and only contacts that match. So here keep in mind, when we imported this kind of context, we added a tag called as test lead list, and that particular tag is only assigned to one person at the moment, Robert. So let me do that as well. So let me simply choose tag is lead list, and it should see one receivers for our. So as at the moment, as you see here, it says 6. So once we filter the contacts using this particular tag, then you will see only one. Let me show that. Save. All right, and as you see here, it's changed to 1 over here. So now we can actually send this particular broadcast. If you click send, it will send. Otherwise you can actually schedule a different time as well. Those are the things possible over here. So let me simply click send, and let's see how this actually works. So I should actually receive an SMS on my mobile. So let me share my phone screen over here, and here we go. It says, hi Robert, we have missed you. Are you in need of a special code for an extra discount on your personalized picks? Reply yes to get yours now. So here if I reply yes, it simply send me the code. So let me see how this actually works. I replied yes, and great news, you can enjoy a 20% discount on display, and it simply send me this sort of message over here. So what I can do is you can test this of how this actually works when they actually reply some other message. So in this case I actually replied as yes. Let's say if they actually reply with a different message, let's see what happens. So for that we can actually, here we have in the omnichannel inbox, and you can find the chat over here. Here we can simply send the flow manually as well. So let me send SMS this particular manually again. So I should receive the same message again over here. As you see here, I have just received. Who is this? So let me simply send this message as who is this, and it should simply trigger the chat to the agent. So here, as you see here, the chat is already assigned to the Henry Allen, and you can find that H over here, and this is actually moved to the human as well. So if I go to the human conversation, we should find that, because this is already moved to the human. If you want to transfer this particular customer to the bot, you can do that by clicking on this particular button as well. Otherwise an agent can message us. So this is Chatic Media. So if I send this message through this omnichannel inbox, the customer will receive that same message as well. So let me show that as well. And it says this is Chatic Media. So likewise, an agent can jump in the conversation anytime and chat with the customer, and also move the particular customer to the bot anytime as well. So here if I transfer the conversation to bot, and that will be gone. So if I go to the old one, I can see it, and here if I go to the bot, I can see it, but in the human I don't see it. So here you can even change the assignments, and you can even assign to the team as well. So a lot of things are possible over here. So that's how you can actually use your existing customer list to send SMS marketing campaigns. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.